Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to share with you a new Chrome extension that I developed a while ago, but I haven't got time to really share with everyone. So in this video I'm going to do that. Right. So the extension that I'm going to share is called Keyword Highlighter. Now the way you can install it is to go to Chrome Store and then you go to the Chrome web store and you search keyword highlighter, right, and you scroll down. I think it's in the fifth or so. Right, now this is it. Okay, with the ABC and something like this. All right, now because I already installed it, so you will see that it's called install. But if you haven't, you can just click on install it. And I'm seeing that there are 6 users at the moment, which is great. All right, now the next step is once you install it, if you look on this side, you will see it right here, and you click on that one. You can make it fixed by where is it? By click on the pin, so that will be stick on this. This one is already the one that I've installed previously. All right, so now if you click on the extension, you'll see the couple of options there. Now for a brief overview, the first button is active. If you want to disable the extension, you should toggle to the left and it become inactive. It can be useful to disable the extension because sometimes if the page, if you refresh the page, if you filter the page many times, then the extension may do some it may affect the formatting of your page a bit, or so sometimes you need to disable it. Now in this case we're going to turn it on. Now so we got 3 groups of keywords, so we'll call it groups, but it actually it's a pretty flexible, depends on the purpose of what you're using the extension for, and this is very open. For example, the first group, you add a word in some word, and then you can select the color, you can select the size. So this the group, the keyword should be separated by comma. Now for an example, if I go to my website ngoconglem.com, now if I scroll down, for example, I want to highlight the word welcome, welcome, and then I click save. It will save, refresh the page, and will highlight the word welcome right here. Okay, so so if you want to add another word, you can highlight the word, for example, web, for example. Now web, remember you can use the comma to separate the word web, and you click save, it refresh the page, and you will highlight the word web. See, cool. The next is that if you have another group of keywords, then you see that you can add in a different groups of keywords with green, and then if I type the word research, for example, it is supposed to be highlighted in green. Something else I can do is to increase the fonts. Now 1.5 may be a bit too big, 1.2, 1.3 for example, and I click save, and then you see that the word research is highlighted in green, and even the font size is even bigger. Now the value of the extension is, it really depends on how you're gonna use it. For example, for me, I do a lot of review, I mean literature review, when I have to screen in or out the studies. So I will add a couple of words from the papers that I think is likely not to be in scope. Okay, and I will add it in group 1 and I highlight it red. And another groups of keywords that is likely to be in, I put it in the group 2 and I highlight it in green. All right, so you don't have to use all 3 groups. It just absolutely depends, or it's up to you if you just want to use 1 or 2 or 3. Another instance where you can use this is that, for example, you have a group, 2 groups of vocabulary, so new words that you like to learn, or different levels of words that you like to highlight, or then you can definitely put in like group 1 for level 1, group 2 for level 2 or 3, things like that. But that's just suggestion. In general, the key extension really helps you to speed up your reading. It helps you to identify areas of text where there is likely to have a lot of relevant keywords for you. This is just my website, so there isn't much text here, but if you have like a long list of text to read web page, you definitely will find it useful. Now this extension, it doesn't read PDF. So if you have a PDF file, you open it in Chrome, it can't help you to read PDF file because PDF are different things. The same thing for Google Docs, or that's another different things. So the extension is immediately to read web pages, right? So the keywords are saved in the extension. If you want, even if you refresh the page, this keyword will be kept. If you want to remove them, you can do it manually, or you can click reset. Okay, and it will reset everything. All right. That's pretty much my introduction and tutorial on the keyword highlighter extension that I developed. I hope you find it useful. Happy installing and happy using. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.